Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can connect Printify to your Squarespace store on your Squarespace site. So let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, currently I'm on my site. This is one of the blog posts that I've created for a previous tutorial, and this is pretty much the main menu and the main page where you want to be. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to click on settings, and then you're going to scroll down until you see third-party tools here on the left, and then just go into extensions. Here, you're going to just search up Printify. And as you can see here, you have print on demand and drop shipping as the tags, and you can create, sell, and ship custom products through Printify through this integration. Now, as you can see, this is the information menu. You see everything that is to see here. And as you can see, I already connected to Printify, so I'm just going to disconnect. And now what you're going to do is just click connect over here. That's going to take you over into Printify. It's going to open up a new tab, and I'm just going to continue with Google as my current account and just select that, and that should take me over into Printify. Now, as you can see, you just need to connect your store name. So I'll just name the store test, click connect, and it's going to make me allow the connection through Squarespace. And once that's done, it should connect just like this, and then you can use Printify to add products and manage your products on Squarespace very easily. As you can see, now we have the disconnect button, which means everything is connected, and you can freely use this through Printify to actually create products, add products, and make catalogs, manage your orders. You can use both if you want, but whichever products you make on Printify should transfer over to Squarespace just by using this integration, since the stores are connected. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.